Hello guys, what I'm gonna show you today is how you can make the sausage in Rand Simulator, okay? Now this process is kind of tricky because it's gonna involve for you to do the exact same steps, okay, without missing anything or without going another path. It's very strict. So I'm just gonna show you. First of all, guys, I'm in the software store as you can see here, and I'm just gonna tell you what items you need to buy, okay? Because there's several of them. Now guys, sausage requires processable non-wild minced meat. So for these, I just want you to come here, or you can just go to your farm, and you can just butcher like an animal that is like farm animal. This can be, for example, like a pig, a cow, or a chicken, okay? In this case, I'm just gonna do it with a pig, but you can do it the same with a cow or with a chicken. The other thing is that if you do it with a wild meat, this is not going to work properly, so keep that in mind, guys. Here we have our pig. I'm just going to butcher him now. I have a revolver in here. Okay, so it's very simple. A quick shot is going to do. Now we're going to go back to the hand, and I'm just going to skin the pig in here. As you can see, now we have a bunch of meat, okay, that we can actually pick up. All right, so this is fine. Now what else are you gonna need, guys? We're gonna need different things, but the first of them is going to be the actual, let's get to the food production section. You're gonna need an electric meat grinder. I definitely recommend the electric, not the manual. I like the electric better. So the electric meat grinder and the electric sausage stuffer for the same reason, okay? But not only that, you're also gonna need a pan, okay? So just add these three items to your like checkout, to your cart, and just buy them, okay? The pan, electric mic grinder, and electric sausage stuffer. So just get them. I'm gonna turn off the lights because it's kind of dark in here. Now I'm gonna pick up my meat, and I'm also gonna pick up my pan, and I'm gonna put it next to the meat grinder, as you can see in here. I'm just gonna press E next to the electric meat grinder. So this is the electric meat grinder, and this is the electric sausage stuffer, okay? So I'm just gonna put the pan in here. I'm gonna grab my meat. This can be pig, cow, or chicken. And I'm just gonna press E to put it in. Okay, so just put it in here. And now I'm just gonna press E to turn it on again. As you can see, it's gonna start to make the minced meat. And now guys, this is the most essential step in here, okay? I want you to not to actually pick up the meat, because then it's going to be completely useless. If you pick up the product, if you press E to take the product, this is going to be completely useless. You're basically going to waste it. I want you to press your left mouse click to pick up the whole pan with the mince. And then with this pan, I just want you to come to the sausage stuffer and press E to put it in, the whole thing again. And now you're going to press E to turn it on. This step is very important because if you don't do it in this exact order, you're gonna mess up and you're gonna waste your meat, okay? So keep that in mind. Now I'm gonna press E to turn this on. And as you can see, it starts to make sausage. So now I have my sausage in here. And that's pretty much it, this is how you make sausages, okay? Now what you can do now is you can add also milk or egg to the recipe if desired. But yeah, that's pretty much how it works. You can cook the sausages, the one that you have in here, in like a pot on the stove. Or better even, you can hand them dry according to the process that you prefer, okay? Boiled sausages, if you do them in the like a stove or the boil or the stuff cooker, they're gonna be placed in the cooler box because otherwise they're gonna go bad. But the dry sausages go to the drying cabinet cooler in your farm for higher value. So just keep that in mind, guys. And just a quick tip for you, if you actually add eggs to your sausages, this is going to increase the selling price. So use the spare eggs for better margins. Thank you so much.